Welcome to our new series Learn with Upstocks. I'm Aditya Iyengar और इस सीरीज में हम बात करेंगे about some key aspects of fundamental analysis, corporate actions and some important general concepts about the stock market. तो आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कि कैपिटल क्या होता है, उसके कौन से टाइप्स होते हैं और वो बैलेंस शीट पर कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. तो चलिए देखते हैं. आपको तो पता ही होगा कि कोई भी कंपनी कैपिटल के बिना फंक्शन कर ही नहीं सकती. अब कैपिटल माने पैसा. अब एक कंपनी रेजेस कैपिटल, इट ईदर डज इट बाय टेकिंग अ लोन और वी आर द इन्वेस्टर्स एंड द स्टॉक मार्केट. सो लेट्स कंसिडर द सेकंड केस हियर. The outstanding share capital of a company is the finance provided to it by the shareholders. मतलब let's say Infosys has a share capital of 2200 crores. It means that the investors put in 2200 crores from their own pockets to finance Infosys for its future plans. In the process, they became part owners of the firm and the prosperity that it promised them for the years to come. Now keep in mind, this share capital is of two types, either paid up or called up share capital. Now what does this mean? In terms of paid up capital, say you buy Infosys shares from an other person. Tomorrow, Infosys doesn't call you up saying कि आप हमारे investor हो तो चलो अब हमें पैसे दो. These shares are paid up, which means the money was already given to the company at the time of subscription. अब आप पैसे बस ownership लेने के दे रहे हैं. On the other hand, the called up capital isn't fully paid for. As an owner of these called up shares, you might have to pay some money in the future if the company announces a date. Many investors find this option attractive because you don't really have to give a huge amount upfront. अब आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल दे देता हूँ. The recent rights issue for Reliance was done in such a flexible manner. Investors only paid 25% of the 1257 rupees of the rights issue. And the company said कि आप बाकी के 75% अगले fiscal year में दे देना. So in this case, the shares weren't entirely paid up for. And the company will demand the remaining money in the next year. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching our video on outstanding share capital on our series Learn with Upstocks. I hope you learned something today, and if you find value in these videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions regarding the video, do leave us a comment below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get a notification for our latest videos.